Dear children, welcome back to our innovation. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல 7th standard science unit 2 universe and space இந்த யூனிட்டோட book evaluation தான் நம்ம இப்ப பார்க்க போறோம். Book evaluation Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. The moon takes 27 days to complete one revolution around the earth. So one revolution for Earth, the moon takes how many days? 27 days. Okay, if the moon is appearing in the sky today near the star Kartigai, the position of the moon after 27 days is near the star Ashwini. So this is moon, M-O-O-N, moon. You make the correction. So it will be near Ashwini. Telescope was invented by Han Lippershey. The galaxy containing young and hot star is Spiral Galaxy. With the launch of the satellite, ISRO became capable of launching 4-ton heavy satellites. Vapor GSAT-19. Fill in the blanks. Waxing of moon means growing and expanding. So, ஒரு மூன் வந்து grow ஆகும் இல்லையா, டே பை டே தான் அது இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். ஃப்ரம் த நியூ மூன் இட் வில் become a full moon, isn't it? So, the growing and expanding of the moon is called waxing. Heliocentric model is proposed by Nicolaus Copernicus. Big Bang theory is the prevailing model of evolution of the universe. Ursa Major, URSA, okay. Major is a large constellation which covers a large part of the sky. Aryabhatta is the first satellite launched by India. Roman letter 3, true or false? If false, give the correct statement. On a full moon day, when the sun is setting in the west, moon rises in the west. No, it will rises in the east. The word crescent refers to the phases where the moon is less than half illuminated. That is true. Galileo accepted the geocentric model. So, here you may have to make the correction. Galileo, he did not accept the geocentric model. Our Milky Way galaxy is defined as an elliptical galaxy. So, you have to remove this word elliptical, okay? The planet Venus is our solar system doesn't have a moon. So, Venus, it does not have any moon. That is true. Match the following children. Rohini, that is GSLV Mark 3M1. Okay. Then GSAT-14, GSLV-D5. Okay. GSAT-19, that is SLV-3. Chandrayaan-2, GSLV Mark 3. Mangalyaan, this PSLV XL-C25. Okay. Roman letter 5, analog. Older stars, elliptical galaxies. Younger stars are irregular galaxies. Okay. Nearest galaxy, Andromeda. Nearest star, Alpha Centauri. Very short answer. The word crescent refers to the phase where the moon is less than half illuminated. That is crescent. Mercury and Venus planets never appear in the midnight sky. Number of days taken by the Mars to orbit around the Sun is 687 days. In which phase does the size of the planet Venus is small? When it was in gibbous phase. The only evidence of the Big Bang theory is the galaxy which contains abundant amount of gas and dust is Spiral Galaxy. 7th question. Which country launched the world's first artificial launch vehicle? That is Russia. Roman letter 7, short answer question. What is epicyclic model? Page number 28. To explain the puzzling phenomena, astronomers in earlier times proposed a change in the simple geocentric model. This is called as epicycle model. This is the first answer. Name the 4 different types of galaxies. Page number 31. The types of galaxies. There are various types of galaxies such as spiral, elliptical, bad spiral and irregular. So this is the second answer. What is constellation? Page number 37. See points to remember. A constellation is a recognizable pattern of stars in the night sky when viewed from the earth. So this is called as constellation. Give the expansion of PSLV and GSLV. Page number 36. Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. This is for PSLV. Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, that is GSLV. Answer in detail. Explain the waxing and waning phase in Venus. Page number 28. You had to write what is epicycle. So already we had written the first question. So this point you had to write. Then later on you have to mark from here, children, as the Venus went around the epicycle. From here to this point you need to write up to here. And it starts from here again. If the Venus was going around the sun from this point, from there to, see, you can see here, if it is an orbiting the sun, okay, up to this you have to write. So this is the answer for the first detail. Write short notes on constellation. Page number 33. Under the heading constellation, write this heading and you have to copy this whole para. You need to write up to here. Okay, this is all about the constellation. Detail for the second one. Dear children, we had completed the second unit book evaluation fully. If you have any doubt, you can mention in the comment section. Like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for the further videos. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you. Have a nice day.